Hello, everyone. This is Tyson with the Miami Association Realtors, one of your trainers. Wanted to give you guys a quick tip of how to do an effective search for commercial, specifically looking for investment properties. This example is going to incorporate apartments, and let's get started. First thing you want to do is you want to hover your mouse over the word search. From there, we're going to go down to commercial improved industrial. Click there. Scroll over to the property type, building type section, and then click apartments. That's going to bring us to 81 matches. Go ahead and click, and then click search so we can see the listings. From there, what we're going to do is a quick hack so that we can identify properties that have a gross scheduled income based on units. First, what we're going to go and do is hover our mouse over the field here until it forms a crosshair. Click insert column, and the first field we're going to add is units, number of units. Go ahead and click right here, click apply, and then we're going to add one more field. Again, hover your mouse over here next to ML number, click insert column, go down to search. Now we're going to add gross scheduled income, click apply. And then what we have now is the units field and the gross scheduled income section here. All right, what we're going to go and do is line everything up. Hover your mouse over the number of units until it points up with the arrow. Do the same thing with gross scheduled income. Click with one more time until you have both arrows pointed up. Okay, so we have a couple of different examples here. We have this listing here located at 1767 Northwest 3rd Ave that has 18 units with a gross scheduled income of $378,000. Now that we have set up the grid, we can go ahead and save it so that we can use it for next time. To do so, you hover your mouse over Manage Display and pick a name of your choosing. For this example, we're going to go ahead and use commercial units, gross income, save as a copy, and you will see it saved here under display. You can find more tips like this on our trainer page by visiting YouTube and searching for Miami Trainers, or by visiting the MLS Help Center, located on miamirealtors.com/MLS, located on the left-hand side of the page. We thank you for your time and for being a Miami member.